Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, Friday the 13th. It's going to be April, Friday the 13th. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second Friday the 13th that I've had on my channel. The first one happened to be part 2 of my 0 to 60 series that I had. And now here we are, Friday the 13th for the second time. This is going to be my Stow and Show installation. Now guys, the Stow and Show plate, as you guys know, has been around for a while. There's been videos on YouTube about it. There are some new things I want to go over about the Stow and Show plate that have changed, and I want to get that out to everybody. So I got my Stow and Show plate, ZIC Motorsport, which is here. This is the model number SNS6680. Now the thing is in the actual directions of this Stow and Show plate, all right, the things that are listed, the parts included, everything is here except the washers for the plate holder. So in other words, for your license plate mounting screws, the lock washers are not there. So where it says lock washers 10mm winch size, they were not there. All right, I called back ZIC Motorsport, and they said that they looked at all of the ones on the actual wall, and then none of them came with the washers like the instructions say that it should be included. So he was going to reach back out to Big Mike Performance to see what was going on. I had to pick up a few tools to get this done. Here are the washers that I got. I've already installed them on the front of the plate. I already got this piece pretty much done. So you know, it's supposed to come with a washer. So it comes with this screw right here for a Phillips screwdriver on the back, and it comes with this, they call it an acorn nut. So right here, acorn nut. All right, it's basically what this piece is right here. All right, and then these just pretty much screw into one another, keeping the bracket and the plate secure. You do get a little bit of a rattling without a washer, so I picked up a box of flat lock washer assortments, and I put a washer in between right there. So now it's pretty snug. It's not going to go anywhere. All right, I had to pick up an actual ratchet wrench, and I have a set. All right, and basically it's a 10-piece chrome socket set that I needed to get this done. Also, one of the things that has been changed is before, this pin used to be pretty much all silver. Now it's actually painted black, like the front of the car. So I mean, I may go back over this with some black spray paint, but for the most part, it's already painted black. I think before it was silver. The pin ring was silver, and people were complaining about it being silver and how they wanted to spray paint it. So that's already pretty much done. It's pretty much black. It has some of the black is coming off. They also recommend that you use WD-40 periodically to keep this pin working properly, and they tell you to WD-40 here on the actual rails, the rods. I'm sorry, the rod should be also WD-40. All right, guys, this is going to be a job for my pivot head camera glasses. I'm going to switch over from filming the camera I'm using now and go over to my pivot head. So, see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so change of plans. Looks like this bracket is not able to fit to the left. I'm not happy about that. It's not able to fit to the left. The screw hole is a little bit further out than what this bracket is long enough for. So looks like the only way to really put it on is to put it on in the center. So I probably never use it when I'm driving, but whatever, I'll have it for when I'm parked. Just all I really got this thing for.
Fire, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the
Looks like it's on there. It's not going anywhere. It's on there. Go and go. Alright guys, so installation of the Stow & Show plate is up. I think the Stow & Show plate slightly is lower than the actual bracket plate that comes with the car that I have in my trunk. It sits a little higher up. As you can see, that top piece of plastic over the top of the plate, the little gap, I think the regular plate bracket is a little higher, so it allows the technology group camera at the bottom to be a little bit more exposed. But I won't use this when driving. If I do drive and have it on and use adaptive cruise control, I'll just have to pull over if it interferes with the actual adaptive cruise control. But I mainly got this to use for when parking, so I won't get a no front plate parking ticket. I tried to put it over to the left, but the bracket is too short. The screw assembly is a little bit wider out on the side. As you can see, the clearance, it does not touch the bumper at all. Sticks out a little, slight bit, does not touch at all. And that's gonna be it, guys, for today's installation on the Stow & Show plate out here in Long Island, and got it done. And guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. And thanks to everyone who subscribed and everyone who watches. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.